We just got to Canyonlands National Park. This is another park that I've been to. We're actually here 2 days after Arches National Park. I wasn't feeling well yesterday, so I took the day off and just stayed inside at the same spot we were at. But I'm feeling a lot better today, so we're gonna check it out. And we just got to the entrance and it's already so beautiful. Haven't seen one of these in a while. First little hike is the Mesa Arch. It's very easy and quick.
This side, Sarasota.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the West Coast guy.
Yeah, I love Sarasota.
Yeah, Sarasota's
It's like
great.
it's actually
Dad said stay still. Looking out.
Our second hike today is the Upheaval Dome. I've also been here before with my friends, and but I don't remember anything in this trail. We're just climbing stairs to get to the top. It's not too bad of a hike, a mile round trip, but the first part you're just climbing stairs to get up. But the views are just this whole park is just incredible and beautiful.
So what did we just go to? We just hiked half a mile to Upheaval Dome. It was really pretty. Apparently there was like a meteor or something that hit, or just some rock, but there's a crater down below.
So somewhere over there, that's the Needles Overlook. That's where we were a couple days before getting to Arches National Park. And then down there, there's a road. It's called the White Rim Trail. It takes a couple days because you're going like, it goes all the way around the park. It's about 100 miles long. Someday when we're feeling more adventurous, I want to go down on there. I've looked at it before. It just seems really cool. You can only go like 10-15 miles an hour, but you're just going through this amazing landscape.
It's hot, but this is a pretty view.
We got Dora the Explorer here with her backpack. What are you doing?
Exploring.
The other day after Arches, we went to do our dump and get water and stuff, and we were very hungry. So we got some McDonald's, and I think I had a Big Mac for the first time ever. We used like a deal to get it for free, so that's part of the reason we went. And now we're thinking about a Big Mac again, and Jayla has buy one get one free on her app, so I think we're going to do a Big Mac today.
Yes, please. I want a Big Mac.
First time I tried Wendy's, the Junior Bacon Cheeseburger, I was in love, kind of like Squidward and SpongeBob when he tried his first Krabby Patty. But yeah, I just had no idea Big Macs are so good.
They are delicious. Well, we reached the end. It was a nice mile hike, and it's gorgeous out here.
there's this big rock that I want to climb. Jayla doesn't want to, so I'm gonna go up there really quick. This is where we were today. We drove from somewhere around here into the park, and we went down to the Mesa Arch first, and then we did the Upheaval Dome, and then came all the way down to the Grandview Point Overlook, and we did the little trail that comes out. So if you ever wanted to recreate the trip or just see where we've been, those are the places, and that's relative to where they're at. They call this the Island in the Sky. And then there's another section of the park called the Needles over here. The reason they call it the Island in the Sky is because there's a river and canyon that goes on the edge here, and it meets with another one here. And then at the top there is a river here and a canyon. And so pretty much over here is one of the only places you can cross. They call that the neck. So yeah, it's literally like an island lifted out in a bunch of canyons, and it's just such a cool thing, and it even looks like a little arrowhead. Look what just got here. Oh yeah.